In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable your microphone and camera in Google Chrome. Now to do this, you can actually enable your mic and camera for specific websites. So you can't blanket turn it on for every website ever. And this is a security feature because it allows you to enable it on specific websites. So how do we check this and how do we turn it on? How do we make sure it's working? So if you go to your Google Chrome, you then go to the three dots in the top right hand corner. You then go to settings. You can then find here privacy and security. And once you've done that, you can then scroll down to site settings. From here, you'll be able to see any recent activity. And one by one, if you click on camera, you'll be able to see what websites you've given permission to use your camera. So for me, that is Google Meet. Now you'll notice here you'll be able to see what webcam you've actually given permission. So I've got this HD Pro webcam here. Now you can go ahead and select your camera from the list, and you can see here that the default behavior, sites can ask to use your camera. So if you're trying to get your camera to work on Google Meet, then it's already allowed in my case. Now if I wasn't getting the message or the pop-up wasn't appearing or I just wanted to reset it, I could click on this trash can icon and then I could try again and enable the camera with Google Meet's button, and it will then give me a pop-up in Chrome asking if I wish to give Google Meet permission to use the camera. Same thing for microphone. If we go to microphone, you can see I've allowed my microphone to be used on ChatGPT and Google Meet. I can click on this and I can go ahead and change the camera settings on ChatGPT, look, to ask by default, but I can just go ahead and blanket allow this on ChatGPT, and same with the microphone. So you can't add websites to this in this settings. You can only go and use the websites as you normally would, and when you try and use the camera or the microphone, it's going to pop up and ask you, and once you give a response, it will then appear here. So make sure that your microphone and your camera is selected from the drop down, and then you should be working and good to go. You can go ahead and add and remove permissions as you please.